What's up guys, it's another vlog, basically building the BMW, the 330 that I bought and the 46. It's basically the budget build still, but today we're gonna the lock kit for the 46, which I bought from Josh, the guy that fabricated my exhaust for the JZX. He basically made sick lock kit for the 46 because he basically makes them now. And so yeah, I basically came to Ricky's house and we're gonna be fitting this lock kit today. So it's gonna be interesting. Yeah, stay tuned for this video. Literally came to Ricky's house. I'm gonna be basically disturbing him. He doesn't know that I'm coming today, but let's see what happens. And he's gonna be helping me out today, basically. Yo, what's good? Spot me. Yeah. Ricky boy. Mr. Miyagi. Well, basically the 46 is here, the car that you hate. Yeah. We need to put a lock kit on there, innit? Let's do this. Let's roll. So yeah, we're gonna be fitting the lock kit today, and it's gonna be fun, I think. Hey, it's gonna be fun, isn't it? Yeah. All right. So these are the. Yeah, my guy's complaining. So basically these are the lock kit that my cousin is gonna be having. We got the extended lower arm, and I told him to basically extend it by 50 mil, and then he basically made a cut hubs. He also gave me the E92 tie rod. So yeah, basically that should give me enough lock when I'm basically taking this car for skidding. Hopefully I'm gonna be testing it out tonight. Anyway, Ricky, if it rains tonight, we're gonna be testing it out. And also, the hydro, today, the hydro's fitted, but the trims ain't, and hopefully we can sort that out today as well. Because obviously we got all the stuff like kind up and that, so it's gonna be, it looks so much neat than that. So yeah, stay tuned for this video, and Ricky is basically having a moment trying to sort this out.
Jack this up a bit more, will you?
Okay. Basically now we're lubricating all the bolts, because if you come have a look, like they are all basically corroded, and I think nobody took these ball joints off. So now we're taking them off, and then we're gonna basically strip everything around here and then put the new stuff on. So yeah, stay tuned. When the sun shines on these arms, they really glitter. Huh? Well, it doesn't have to have sunshine, but look at it though. Yeah, it looks crazy. But yeah, at the moment we're still trying to basically take the, well, basically all the lower arm stuff like that. Ricky's pretty much doing everything here. He's trying to take the ABS off. What's the ETA on this, Ricky?
Tomorrow.
So at the moment we just basically got this car pretty much OEM, and nobody has. You think someone's touched that before?
No, never.
Yeah, nobody's touched this car before, and everything's so corroded. Probably in there for the last 22 years, to be honest. But now just taking everything off, and it's pain in the ass at the moment. So yeah, hopefully we should take this off soon. While Ricky's sorting that out, close the boot. Look at Ricky's 14, bro. This guy and his fitment, yeah, it's ridiculous. But obviously, that's not my style. He always tells me to lower my car, but it's the stance on this car. Yeah, it's pretty intense with the Kwamis on it. It's an ongoing project. This is an ongoing project, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ongoing project. What's the plan with this car?
Kit.
Yeah.
Delivery. sell it. New one.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I ain't gonna sell this car, bro. That's all he does. I'll put a picture of the cars that he used to have in it, and this guy just fixes them, builds them, sells them, and then he regrets it.
No money.
But yeah, this car, he's gonna change the color. Obviously, I think it's gonna be white with livery and stuff like that on it. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting builds. You guys can probably see that on the channel. But at the moment, we just see something like this heap of shit. I don't know why I got into BMW, but something new, a different platform. I've always loved JDM, but this is a different platform. And Ricky disagrees with this car. He hates this car. Every time I come here with this car, you actually
Piece of shit.
So
no BMWs around here.
yeah, funny you say that. And that's his BMW. He drives. That's a daily. But yeah, at the moment we're just still cracking on with this. Hopefully, won't put the new arm on. That's when we'll start it again. Not looking good. It's starting to rain on us. Ricky's not looking good either. He's It's like, why do you think this bitch is shit? Yeah, it's not looking good right now, and it's raining on us. I hate walking in the car when it's raining. It's horror. Ricky, what do you think of this situation right now?
Wet, bro.
I don't even lay on the floor anymore because it's wet. Ricky's fed up. He's a soldier though. He's still going. I kept running away and hide it underneath the tree. But you know what? What do you do? You took the engine off. What? Basically, we're in a sticky situation. At the moment,
The span is stuck.
the spanner is stuck, as you can see in there. It's stuck. Basically, this part of the lower arm is hard to get to, and Ricky was like, oh, let's do it from the engine bay. And I've done the outside because that's how so easy to get to, but this side there's an engine mount and then and some bit of the manifold stuff that's basically blocking you from putting the ratchet down. And yeah, so he started doing it from underneath, and now the spanner is stuck, and he's trying to remove the. What are you trying to do, Ricky? Trying to remove the engine mount.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's trying to move the engine mount, and so he can take the spanner out, so then we can take out the rest of the bits. But it's not looking good. To be honest with you, I don't know who designed this, but it's a stupid design.
Is that too?
What? You want that?
Monday, bro.
Oh,
Stop it.
your fenders. Yeah, but Ricky, he's keep on going. He's a soldier. Wow. It's not looking good. I hate BMWs. This is the last BMW I ever buy. Ain't that right? You don't even like BMWs, do you?
Huh?
Do you like BMWs?
Yeah.
Do you? Oh, I'm surprised. I thought you only like JDM, but I guess not. Well, yeah, it's not looking good. But yeah, stay tuned for the next thing, what's gonna happen. We finally come to the end, well not end, start. He's been hammering this down all day, and we need it. There you go, there you go. Look at Ricky. Hey Rick, yo, what's going on? There you go. Nice. Look at this arm. All the balls so worn out. Which one? What? You hear that? You'll be fine.
Where did you hit it? Where? I can't see.
Exactly. We can't see, innit? There's no injury there. But yeah, that's out. So now we've got other side to do, and this took us pretty much forever. And it was raining on us. Basically, 60 mil there, and we spent £10 for nothing buying these Mickey Mouse spanners. Yeah, not looking good. But now, this is out. We're gonna be basically putting all the new locks, the new sauce. The new sauce gonna go on, and then we can tie that up, but I think we should start with the other side. Or should we just put this in first?
No, you start the other side, and I'll get this side finished.
Yeah. I'm gonna start on the other side, because the other side has not been touched yet. It's all intact. And yeah, I'm gonna basically just do this bit and we're gonna be done, innit?
You got a lock now.
And then I'm gonna skid the car. Huh?
You got a lock now.
I have no lock now.
You got a lock in now.
Yeah.
Grab it.
I'll grab it. Stay tuned for this new lock kit. We're pretty much done one side now. We're just putting in the new arm built by AR Sports. I think it's going to stick out a lot, to be honest. Like, I think soon I'll be changing the fenders. I'll buy the ones that you can put on top of them, like the old fenders on the front. I'm not going to be entertaining the car the way I would do it with my JZX. But this side, I'm just doing this side now. Taking these parts off. It's all nicely encoded. But yeah, so far it's looking good. But it took us long, but we learned. Look at his arms. It's looking saucy, man. Isn't it?
Saucy.
Is that how much luck I'm gonna have? I highly doubt it. Nah, that's not gonna be. Where's this? That's not going in.
Yeah, we'll do
I think because the paint in it.
Yeah, paint's on it a bit too thick.
Yeah. But yeah, that side is done. I'll be doing the passenger side, and then I'm gonna show you guys the result when it's all in. Look at that! Look at Archie boy helping these pups. Nice. You ruined the paint, man.
No, bro.
Hey Josh, blab innit? You ruined the paint.
Look, I fucked up.
We done.
I fucked up. Let go, check down, let's check down.
It just came out.
That's fine, I fucked up.
Oh. We done, Rick.
I've saved it. Look,
Ricky, man.
that's supposed to go in that gap in it.
You didn't break it at least. At least you didn't break it. That's why it wasn't going in there. So I was thinking, take it all out. And then turn the coil over in it. Take it all out, bro, and then turn the coil over.
Just want to do that. Lucky, I just caught that, look.
Yeah.
Just caught
What?
it, bro.
What, Dad?
Caught that, look. That's supposed to go down a little slip. Fucked it.
Yeah, Ricky and his rookie mistakes.
Taking a piss with me, bro. Alright. Geezer can undo a
Ricky.
fucking. Had the socket and the ratchet the wrong way round.
Who?
You.
When?
Earlier, 16 mil. Then the bill goes in the ratchet trying to undo the bolt. Why is this not fitting? Right, go on, jack it up.
Look at Archie boy.
Sign the jack.
Helping his pups.
Stay there, boy.
Is it all in?
Hold on, bro.
Is it all in?
Come down a little bit, babe. Turn it down. Yeah, that's it. Right, stay there. Lock it up. Check it up.
But yeah, now I'm gonna be doing outside and see the difference. The difference is this bit is looking nasty. Oh, nasty. Look at that. Yeah. It looks so sore. That's it. See that? Only by the best. But yeah, Stay tuned. Arms is done. Turn the steering, Ricky. We've done one side now. That's the lower arm, hubs, new tie rod ends. That's the E92 tie rod ends and the tie rod. And what are we doing now? We're gonna basically test it how much lock
out.
Yeah.
Bang the wheel on.
Let's show them. Come on, let me show them. Right, look. Go on, show them the lock. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Nah, bro, keep going. Ooh. Hold up. Let me show you a different angle. Ash, what do you think? What do you think?
Good.
Is that maximum, yeah?
Yeah, that's max.
Yeah, that's a lot. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Listen, don't mind this. This is all the rusty bit. This is gonna be chopped off because obviously I cannot put my new wheels on. It's gonna be sticking out like this much. So that's going. I'm gonna have new fenders on it. But yeah, so far it's looking good. But that's too much camber though. That's ridiculously too much camber.
Right, let's get this offside on now, boy.
Maybe the other side and then test it out when we put it down. I'm gonna do a couple of U-turns here and there. Maybe take out the skids. Ain't that right, Rick? Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
This is the end result with a new lock kit on the car. So much angle from before. I should have done a before and after video, but this is the result of the new angle kit supplied by AR Josh. And so far it basically kind of ruined my front fenders. Well, I was going to basically put old fenders on the front anyway, but at the moment it looks decent enough for me to have fun with this much angle. So yeah, this is how it looks. Next thing now is basically putting the front fenders on the car because the wheels stick out too much. And these are my new wheels, Advan RD2. So pretty much decent wheels for the car. I have set for the rears, and I bought I have set for the rears, and it's gonna be sick. It's gonna look like a race car when I put the wheels on and give it a little bit of touches. But so far it looks good, and that's the end result. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Like and subscribe and share, and yeah, see you next time.